everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I am popping on to show you and share with you my box of goodies that I got from FURLS birthday sale. FURLS turned 12 years old and I'm excited to show you what's inside. All right, here we go. Here are some stickers. I love this one. Do not touch my furls. Look at the crochet hook and the little hands on the hips. And the other one is furls with that beautiful sparkle and glitter. These are cute. I love the stickers that they create. So let's go ahead and open this. Sorry for the crinkling. All right, let's open the first one. Ooh, this is the mystery second. Look at this. It is so pretty. It is an end hook, a 9mm. There you are right there. Hopefully y'all can see that very clearly. Oh, I'm excited. Just look at the pour on this. It is so pretty. Oh, it has a little sparkle and shine in there too. Wow. Oh my goodness. So I see a slight imperfection on the printing. So maybe that's why they made it a second, because there is some errors right there. But the hook and everything is perfectly fine. I love this. It's a streamline. Ooh, streamline resin. This is so nice. So this right here looks like the Streamline Andromeda Galaxy hook, because it has that blue in there, right down there, you see at the tip, and some of the orange. See all that glitter and sparkle. And maybe they thought that it didn't have enough of the blue. So maybe that's why they made this a mystery second. But, excuse me, I love the color of it. It's just my allergies. On to the next one. All right. So I can show you all what I got. Oh my goodness. I got the Onyx Streamline metal hook. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I am super, super excited about it. It's a J hook. That's a 6mm hook, and I love the stamp on it. It really, really stands out. There it is right there. It does have a lot of weight to it. It is heavier than most of their hooks, and I can tell by the weight of this. This is nice and balanced as well, but it is a lot heavier than the regular metal hooks. And I will probably more than likely do a comparison video and share that all with you. But I got a J. These were $22. The sale is still going on. If you would like to purchase something, you have until 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. You can double check that on the website, but use my affiliate link, please. Here is a G hook. This is a 4mm. So pretty. Some people I noticed got sets of these, put these both together, but I'm thinking about doing that myself and at least getting HI, maybe a G plus, K. I'll have to see if I can swing it, but these are so pretty. So if you got something from the birthday sale, go ahead and it has a nice sound too. Welcome aboard. Start doing this. Welcome aboard. Woo. These are super cool. So it also came with a cleaning cloth and it came in a little pouch for travel, which is very nice. It is black. Comes in a little plastic here that you can pull off and you can clean them and shine them up. This is really, really nice. Furls is amazing. I love these. I fell in love with it and I'm a furls girl. I say that these hooks right here, these furls are essential. Catch it. So show me what you got from your birthday sale. I'll have to come up with a tag. Let me think about that for a sec. Why don't we use the hashtag and start the hashtag Furls Birthday? So go ahead and do your video if you like. Everybody can check those out. So thank you for tuning in to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I greatly appreciate you. You all have a wonderful day. And remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys next time.